Okay, this is the first video of Alliance ROM. I am Jolly Roger Hook from XDA, and I will be showing you some of the main features that people are trying to search for or looking for in the ROM to see what you need to do to set it up properly. First thing I'm going to show you is if you go into Settings and Custom Settings, and you go down to your lock screen mods and you hit wake for home key 4 times, that will enable your wake from the lock screen with the home key, which a lot of people are asking for how to do that. Okay, the next thing I'm going to show you is your status bar and toggles. If you go to notification panels, you can turn on your AOSP clear button, which if you go up there, that's the 3 dots right here next to the settings button up top. There's a lock button, which if you see now, there's also a lock there. You can turn on the recents button, which is 2 recents button up there, which turns on your recents ability. You can turn on the settings button on and off, so you don't have to have that if you don't want it. The Alliance logo, if you see down here at the bottom where it says Alliance ROM right next to the emergency calls down there, you can turn that on and off depending on whether you want it or not. You can hide the notification header, which takes away the little box right into this brightness slider. You can also hide down the drop down header, which takes away everything up top and you just have your settings toggles. Your S Finder button you can turn on and off, which is right there next to the time up top. You can turn on and off your brightness slider if you hit that, which was right underneath the settings toggles. You can toggle on your CPU usage, which if you slide down up there, that's right now underneath the brightness slider. You can also use custom carrier text, which is this right here. If you turn on that, when you slide down your slider, it'll say whatever you type in there. You can make it bigger or smaller depending on how you want it. So, alright. And then you have your toggle options. You can change on the toggle text so you can see what they are. Or if you turn it off, you just have the toggles without the text on them. You also have the toggle icon style, which you can change to any one of these that you want. You can have the stock S5 toggles, which are those. You can have the AOSP toggles, which will change it just to the standard toggles like that. Toggles in view, you can change it to however many toggles you want. You can have all of them viewed at once. Toggle position, if you want them at the top or the bottom, you can have them at the bottom of your slide down bar too instead of the top. You can also have a toggle gap enabled or not, which allows those little bars in between them. You can also change the toggle background style to any one of these options you want. If you don't want the circles, you can change it to something else like glass, or you can just turn them off completely and then you just have the toggles like without the circles behind them. Another one of the main features people were asking about is how to get all the toggles available instead of just the few that it shows in the main menu. So go back into your custom settings, go back down to scripts, go to add extra toggles, you hit step 1, you grant, it'll send you back to your lock screen usually, mine did not. Hit step 2, you execute it again, and that should allow all of your toggles to be there instead of just a few that you have originally. Well, that's it for now. I will be showing you some more mods and customizations in the next video. Thank you very much.